How to shoot Ilford Pan-F+. Pan-F+ is a panchromatic black and white film made by Ilford. It has a nominal speed of 50 ISO, which is pretty slow for today's standards. But this means that Pan-F is very sharp with fine grain, which makes it great for scanning and large prints. Compared to HP5 or even FP4, Pan-F produces high contrast images, but it does have less dynamic range, so you need to be a little bit more careful with your light readings. Ideally, you want 2 meters for the midtones, but as a rule of thumb, you can also overexpose by half a stop to clean the shadows a little bit. I'll sometimes rate Pan-F at ISO 25 to make sure I don't underexpose, but in that case you need to make sure that you have enough light available. Pan-F is great for portraits if you work in a well-lit studio environment, but it's also great for landscapes if you are used to work with a tripod because you'll get some very fine details out of your landscapes. On top of that, Pan-F is also very useful for long exposure photography. Because of the low ISO, you'll be able to use a less strong ND filters, and you can still get some motion blur in broad daylight. But like with any other film stocks, if you do choose to use Pan-F for long exposure, then you need to keep in mind the reciprocity failure.